so here's a quick update on this thing. I spent a good amount of time last weekend chasing down the knock sensor issue. I tried multiple different used knock sensors as well as checking the wiring, and everything seems fine, but I'm still getting a malfunction on the knock sensor. So I'm gonna try buying a new sensor because maybe all the used ones I was using were still bad. And after I do that, I'll probably end up getting this thing over to a shop so they can help me diagnose my fuel cut issue. But in the meantime, I have the mini truck pulled into the garage and we're gonna just do some cosmetic work on it. All right, so what I have planned for the truck is gonna be to install these hood vents that I made. They didn't come out as pretty as I wanted them to, but maybe some spray paint will fix that and maybe they'll look better once they're installed. So we're gonna go ahead and get those installed and maybe see about putting a wing on the back just for fun. So let's get to it.
In this part of the video, I'll show you how to make your own custom hood vents for whatever project you're working on. First, cut out the shape hood vent that you want. This shape can be anything that you want, so you can make it fit a contour that complements your car's hood. Then, using a ruler to make an even border around the entire hood vent, you're going to cut out a center section, which is going to make the fins for your hood vent. Now, you're going to need something to attach the hood vent fins to the actual hood vent itself. I used small pieces of filler rod from a welder, and then I just tacked them on like so. Just doing some minor sanding on the hood just to get it smooth and ready for paint one day. And now we're going to drill our holes so that we can rivet the hood vents onto the hood itself. I used motor oil while drilling through stainless because drilling through stainless can be problematic sometimes. This step right here is going to require a lot of precision measuring so that you can get the best symmetrical result after installation. Always measure twice and cut once. That's why I like to use masking tape to mock up the area that I need to cut. All that's left is to drill the holes in the hood and just to rivet it on.